Keep going. Alrighty guys, so welcome to part 2 of fixing this dock. We're gonna start with putting some barrels back in underneath. As you can see, it's not floating anymore, it's just on pipes. So once that's done, we're gonna lift this back and bring it back into place to close that gap right behind you. And once that's done, we're gonna actually take this section back, attach it back to the frame and drop some new posts in, and we should be good. So let's get started. Alright guys, we've got this brand new fishing magnet. I've never used one of these before. Let's try to see if this thing works. Got it. Alright, so now we're going to put these 2 dock barrels under this dock and try to lift it back up. So the barrels are in. See, it's floating. Now we got to pull this section all the way back so that that piece of wood there is flush with that cement walkway. So now these 2 pieces are in, holding the barrels in, which you don't really need to do, but I do find it helps a bit. So our next thing here is that we're gonna have to take this faceplate back and put it back on, because this is what it kind of attaches the 2 docks together here. A little tricky, eh? Now it's time to put the other section back on. We got the pipes also installed, so this thing nice and sturdy and back in place. But we're gonna see if this section is okay. So it looks like there's a broken barrel in the front here. It needs to be able to float out, you know? Yeah, just to cut this in. All right, Chris is gonna cut the strap here. There you go. You didn't hit the barrel, I hope. I'm joking. All right, good luck with it. I'll be back in a bit to get a new barrel. All right, let's go get a barrel. Thank God I bought another barrel, because yeah, that wouldn't have been so good. All right, so Chris has that barrel nice and empty now. Think you drilled enough holes in that barrel, Chris?
No, I don't think so.
All right, yeah, she's nasty. I'll have to throw that out when we get home. It's all scarred up here. Look at that, guys. That time lapse of that beautiful dock we got over here. Chris is gonna make sure this is nice and tight. This is how I did all the barrels at my house for the barge. Before I had that special tool. That's nice and tight. Rotate.
Tell me when.
Keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Perfect. And just like that, guys, that prevents water from getting in from the bungs. So let's get this bad boy attached. Perfect. Now we're gonna add some side plates just there. It's normal for this to have a bit of sway to it because it's floating. Once you tap these poles down, that's gonna give us a lot more stability. Yeah, she's going. She's good. Keep going. That's it. That's it. Working. That's it. Keep going. Nice. These hybrid floating / post docks are really nice because in the winter you can pull the pipes up, just float it to the side and tie it off, and then it's safe, you know. This one hadn't been tied off to the side, so it got all ripped up. Alrighty guys, so that is it. The post dock is all back in with the barrels. Hopefully that'll be it for this dock. We'll have to repair it. It's got a bit of side to side sway, which is normal. I mean, it's just, you know, hold it in by a couple loose pipes. And as we walk towards this side, it becomes a lot more sturdy, you know, like there's not much sway. So very happy with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, and bye-bye.